teaching writing to students is actually a lot like sports. We can learn a lot from coaches. Think about it like this. In English programs across the country, we teach children how to write simple, compound, and complex sentences. Well, that's 3. But what about tennis? You try go onto a tennis court and play a half-decent game with just a forehand, a backhand, and a serve. Oh, you'll play, but the result won't be good. Especially when you come up against somebody who knows the 8 basic shots of tennis. And your forehand, backhand, and serve is up against someone who can do a half volley, a backhand slice, and a forehand slice. It's over. In fact, it's over before it's even begun. When we looked at how we teach students writing, I started at the top. I was a university professor and academic for 20 years. That was the world I knew. So when we built a writing program, we started with the writing skills a young man or a young woman would need the very first day they entered university. And then we worked backwards. We worked backwards through all the years of their schooling and established the key skills you need to build up. So my program teaches 12 different ways to write a sentence and 8 different ways to write a paragraph. So when the student, the young man or the young woman, picks up that pen to write, to show you the depth of their knowledge and their insight, they've got the skills to shine. That's what making great writers is all about.